Hello and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. My name is John. I'm the Client Affairs Manager and CEO of the firm. I'm a British and international lawyer backed up by in-house Thai attorneys, lawyers, barristers, consultants and accountants. We're conveniently situated next to Big C in Pattaya South. Today is the ongoing story and saga between Liam from Manchester and May from Thailand. On the last episode, we discussed their wedding plans and the dowry. Today we continue. With the wedding preparations in full swing, Liam decided it was high time May visit his beloved Manchester. He envisioned showing her the sights, the hallowed grounds of Old Trafford, the quirky charm of the Northern Quarter, and, of course, introducing her to his mum, a woman whose culinary skills peaked at oven chips. However, the universe, in its infinite wisdom, decided to throw a spanner in the works: the UK visitor visa. Liam, ever the optimist, assumed it would be a doddle to fill out the forms, provide a few documents, and Bob's your uncle. He soon discovered that the UK visit visa process was less than doddle and more of a Himalayan expedition in flip-flops. The online application form, it turned out, was a masterpiece of bureaucratic complexity. Then came the supporting documents: bank statements, proof of employment, land titles, letters from the village chief confirming May's good character. The list went on. It was as if the UK government wanted May to prove she wasn't planning to sell the Blackpool Tower and disappear. One of the trickiest parts, as normal, was demonstrating May's strong ties to Thailand. The visa officer, it seemed, needed to be convinced that May had a compelling reason to return to the Land of Smiles after her visit. This led to some creative solutions. They included photos of Champu, their daughter, May's parents, and a variety of other pictures of them together. May's mum even wrote a letter saying that she'd disown May if she didn't come back to cook her famous green curry. Gary, one of Liam's friends, who'd been through the process themselves, added that they like to see that they've got a reason to go back. On their first occasion, they got rejected because the reason wasn't substantiated. So Liam and May tried to make this a big part of their application. However, despite their best efforts, Liam and May's visa application hit a snag. The dreaded email arrived, informing them that May's application had been refused. The reason? Insufficient evidence of strong ties to Thailand. Liam was horrified. Insufficient evidence? She's got a kid, a family, a water buffalo waiting for her. What more do they need? A blood oath? At times, they do. May, ever the pragmatist, took it in her stride. It's okay, Liam. We'll try again. Maybe we need some more evidence. Maybe we need some help. In his despair, Liam turned to the internet, seeking a solution to his bureaucratic nightmare. It was then that he hit upon our website, Anglo Siam Legal. He was immediately reassured to learn that our UK visa applications are meticulously handled by our UK Immigration Director. And all of our visa applications are regulated in the UK for peace of mind by the Solicitor Regulatory Authority. Anglo Siam Legal offer free and independent consultation with our UK-based Immigration Director, 20 years experience, who will go through the merits of the application, the evidence required, the government fees, and so on and so forth. Importantly, we won't let you apply if we don't think you have a good chance of being successful. Liam was impressed with Anglo Siam Legal's services and track record, with a 100% success rate over the last 4 years for all visas applied for. With renewed hope, Liam and May decided to enlist the help of Anglo Siam Legal. They gathered the necessary documents, liaised with the Immigration Director for the sponsor, liaised with the Thai staff for the applicant, many of whom have been through the process themselves and have lived and worked in the UK. They were offered expert guidance all the way through. Finally, the good news arrived. May's UK visa was approved and her transportation organised. The trip is underway. Stay tuned next time for what goes on next. Thank you, and for any of your legal needs, you know where to find us, Anglo Siam Legal. Stay tuned for more on Liam and May.